Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a plus size inside the dressing room. I haven't done one in a while and I decided to visit Burlington to check out their fall clothing. Starting off with this really pretty mauve like kind of cropped sweater with rainbow like details on the arms, which I really liked. I know it's not too fallish on the colors, but definitely it is a sweater, so it's fall. Now, I did like how this fit. It was a little snug around the belly area. It wasn't so much like a full cropped, but it wasn't like a regular size, like full length sweater. So I thought it was kind of like a faux crop, if that even exists. To me, this is what a faux crop is. Moving on to this Good Vibes sweater with, again, that rainbow detail on the arms. There was a lot of this, a lot of this on the sweaters, and I thought it was pretty cute. I love the rainbow detail. I like that it says Good Vibes, and it was very soft, the material of the sweater. I would say this one definitely was a faux crop as well, but I like the fit of this one a little bit more. I don't know, it wasn't as snug feeling as the other one, or maybe, it was just my mind, but it was a little shorter, nothing too crazy compared to the one before, but it was cute. Now this top, I really like the color, and again, this checkered print on the arms was super popular in a lot of tops too. So I wanted to try it out and see how it looked on me. I love the color, of course, mustard, and I like that it combined well with a checkered. This is the material that's super soft but clingy. It'll cling to anything on, on your body. So the fit of this one, I wasn't a big fan of it. It was definitely a faux crop as well, but as you can see, it clings on to my bra so much that it just makes it look funky. So I didn't really like that look on this specific top. Now this one, on the other hand, is the same material, but I feel like it felt different when I was wearing it, like when I tried it on. And it has that checkered print, but it has it like on the shoulder part, and it doesn't go all the way to like the end of your whole arm, which I personally really like. It says blessed. I don't really like shirts that, say too much, but this one, I guess it was okay. Once I tried it on, I fell in love. I think maybe it's the color that I liked more. And as you can see, with the words on there, like on the boob area, it doesn't cling on so much, or you can't really see that it clings onto my bra. I liked it. You can tell. I was doing a little shimmy dance. But yeah, I really like this one. Now this one, it is a crop sweater. It's not on my body. I feel like because I'm so tall, sometimes things just don't look as cropped as they are. And sometimes there's things that look like way too cropped on me because I'm tall again. But this one, you can tell, is definitely a crop. Definitely a crop. I actually really like this. And now that I'm looking back, I'm sad that I didn't buy it because it was very cute. And it was super comfortable. Just super easy to throw on when it's still not too cold, but you just want a little sweater. That was perfect. Now this one, oh my gosh, I just hate that it said taken. Not because like I'm against it or anything, but obviously I'm taken 11 years, honey boo boo, but I just don't like that it says it on the sweater. And these are my favorite type of sweaters. I just want to show you guys that it said that it was made in Mexico. Anyways, the fit of it was actually very nice. I personally really like these type of little sweaters. These are definitely very thin and they're just loosey-goosey and comfortable. And I personally love to wear these in the fall and winter. I'm not that much of a person who gets really cold. And I mean, I live in California, so the cold is not like crazy cold. Now, since in the summer I didn't find my perfect yellow kimono that I hunted down for, any yellow sweater cardigan style that I found, I wanted to pick it up. This one was like a mustard greenish, like a lime green, but still yellow. It was a funky color, but I don't know how I felt about it. Like it was cute and all, but I just felt like I was such an older lady wearing this, which is I don't know why because I used to wear these all the time. I just felt like I needed a little something different on it. Maybe like some pockets, but I just felt like such a mom. And there I am being stupid. But yeah, it was cute, but I definitely passed on that one. Now this one, I saw my girl Pretty and Plus 365 try it on in one of her try-on hauls or one of her inside the dressing rooms. I think it was this one, which is why I went to look for it because I thought it looked great on her. And I actually liked it. But you know what? I, like a dumbass, didn't buy it, but I really, really like how it fit. This one made me feel like I was ready for work. Like your girl was ready to walk in the office and sit on the computer for 8 hours and work, you know? That's the vibes this gave me. Super cute. I love these type of like cardigans that are long. I love them. And this one, even though it was striped, which I usually don't get striped stuff, was super cute. I might go back for it. Now this one, when I I was so excited for this one. I really, really wanted this one to fit. It was a 2X. I couldn't find a 3X. Um, but I was like, you know what? It might fit. It did fit. And I don't know. This one gave me like it was cute, but I felt like it was so like too flowy at the bottom that I felt like it made me look bigger. Maybe it was just my mind playing games with me already because I was so tired of trying everything on. But I skipped it. I really skipped it. And now that I see it, I freaking regret skipping it because it does look so freaking cute. And I love the color, everything. It was just so comfortable. And the 2X just fit perfectly. Now, this sweater, oh my gosh. I fell in freaking love with the color of this sweater. Like, it's the perfect mustard yellow sweater. I think this is like the perfect Thanksgiving sweater. And you bet your ass I bought it. It wasn't a 2X, but it fit perfectly. It was even a little long. You can tell I was excited. I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be my Thanksgiving sweater. I just need like my thigh-high boots and some jeggings, some super tight jeggings. But this sweater, I love. This is like so fall for me. And I'm so glad I found this color sweater now because it's the only color I literally want to wear in the fall. Now this jean jacket, oh my gosh guys, when I saw this I was like it's probably not even gonna fit right. It's gonna look weird on me, but I was like what the heck, just let me try it on. I just fell in love with this jacket because I've been looking for a jean jacket like this. I don't want the whole sleeves to be like the jean material as well. And this one, oh my gosh, I was so freaking excited with how good it fit. Well, I feel like it looks amazing. Like it looks really good. I love that it has pockets and then the hood has this little like white furry material in the inside and you can take the hood off. I feel like I have to go super quick, but this one, oh my gosh, guys. I feel like I'm just so excited for all this stuff, like super excited. This freaking jacket, I don't even know what these jackets are called, but I've been wanting one since like 2 years ago. I've never found the perfect one. This one is just everything and more. Like everything and more. Look at how freaking bomb it looks. You can obviously like wear it loosey goosey or you can have it cinched how I had it. I personally like how it looks cinched at the waist or like yeah at the waist, and then it has pockets. It fits so perfect. It's not tight, it's not snug. I can buckle it, I can zipper it up, everything. I freaking love this jacket so much. And then there I go again, showing you guys how it looks cinched. Even cinched, I can like zip it up and button it up. And the color, guys, I feel like it just makes me look, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I even love it with what I'm wearing. Obviously, I wouldn't wear flats with it, but it's just so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Moving on now to something I didn't like so much. This top, I really like the color. It was kind of like a burgundy brown tone, but it was just like too big, like way too long, unflattering. I just didn't like it. It did nothing good for me, and it was extremely long from the arms. It just it didn't work out. And it just was not a cute look. Now, this sweater, I am looking for like chunky, cozy sweaters just to be around the house. This one was very cute, but I wish it was like a different color. I don't know, I just didn't like it so much. It wasn't like screaming like take me. I like that it had pockets, but I wanted to try on a sweater, a chunky sweater like this, even though this one was pretty thin compared to like other chunky sweaters. It just I wasn't a big fan of it. Now this one, oh my gosh. So first of all, I got it because of the red on it, and I was like, this will go perfect with red lips. It just, you know, the whole vibe, the whole look. And then when I tried it on, I was a little shocked that I liked it as much as I did, because I honestly thought I wasn't going to like it, you know, with the stripes of red and blue. I don't really like to buy anything that has like red on it, but this was cute. And then I was like, I just need something where I can wear like red lipstick and it'll look super cute. It'll pop. This is definitely it. Love, 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 love it. Last but not least, oh my gosh, I almost didn't try this on in the fitting room. Like, I had it with me, but I was just like done, done trying it on. It's this burgundy sweater. This one's a little more chunky than the other gray one, and it has a little hood. Oh, guys, the way this fits, the way, like, I loved how it fit me. I loved how it looked. It was so cozy, so comfortable. It was a little thicker, but nothing crazy. Like, this is my perfect sweater for me. And that concludes this Inside the Dressing Room. Which was your favorite piece that I showed? Don't forget to let me know what other stores you guys would like to see an Inside the Dressing Room for. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!